Iba hitam ni haki hospital berahat kita itu bukan ai vaccination. Kerana gini kita yo vaccination, kam dah tak jur iki. Mereka hamjur kita itu bukan pat yo vaccination. Ya kata orang yang kita substan sejram. Kalau immunity jeng gini kita substan siapa kadang kan. Yele ikat bala atau wat la kataru. Nim kensting nomor ni kidan katukan ni kibadan bagi wegi jingpang bat kibam dan jingpang ru kani ke kelam ke pemerintah kita alut nafam ki hospital kiba nikwa ban penbun jintia ke deh po TB Saudi batkan kelak ke covid hospital itu kekam kadang ya sekarang nomor boros kata ke corona care center mentang ikwa pelang ikwa ke covid hospital sispa jintia going bangin dan kambun jintia tang naman tak kimi bat kelung apa ganis das kata ro sispa jintia hak tu new building ka ba thamai manta kam kadang ya cha pat penbun ya ki cylinder nam tak oksigen kata ro nakaliang sarkar ngidang ya touch ban penbiang cylinder penbiang ka oksigen kasi khun kadang ya udah kenyang ru udang ya khamat tinggi kentu yang saya sisir bukan orang yang saya sisir. I'll tell one more time. Your safest place is your home. Kajaka kamasyantam kajongfi kadai gaying kajongfi. What numi chabar lada film don't come. Don't come out unnecessarily if you don't have to come out. The more you come out, the more you give a chance for this virus to spread. The more you stay inside, go for a self-lockdown. Don't wait for the government to lock down. Self-lockdown, self-discipline. That is what is needed at this hour. And with that, we'll be able to combat this pandemic and this particular wave now. Help us to help you. Follow the protocols, follow the SOPs, and be part of the fight together with us. Thank you.